Located between Florida's Tampa Bay and the Gulf of Mexico is the city of St. Petersburg, a popular travel destination with a rich arts culture and world-famous beaches. St. Pete is also home to Hine Automation, an automation company with deep expertise rooted in quality and reliability. Founded in 2009, Hine Automation has built a reputation for excellence. We have raised the bar for uncompromised quality and versatility in design and manufacturing for state-of-the-art robotic components and automation systems worldwide. Our forward-thinking team of engineers works with the most innovative companies around the world. Our handling systems, which automate the transfer of the material used in the manufacture of microchips, found in such devices as cell phones, smartwatches, and automobiles, are an integral part of the semiconductor industry. The microchip is everywhere, and we are proud to support cutting-edge industries that are changing the way we travel, manage healthcare, and interact with one another. From farms to factories to national security, semiconductors are empowering the world to be faster, more resourceful, and more efficient. Hine Automation's specialties include integrated wafer handling systems, load locks, and robotic components, as well as custom design and contract manufacturing. With a state-of-the-art facility and in-house manufacturing capabilities, we pass high-quality, customized, and cost-effective solutions through to our customers. Having resources, from engineering and programming to machining and assembly, in-house or performed by our trusted network of fabrication partners, gives us the highest level of control, improving the management and quality of each project's scheduled timeline. An efficient process can have a significant impact on our customers. Our highly skilled engineers and designers use a collaborative approach to develop a clear understanding of each customer's requirements. After a plan is approved, engineers then design, model, and analyze the system in 3D using the latest CAD software. Once system analysis is complete, our engineers hand over the design requirements to the programming team to develop the accompanying software. Our purchasing department then sources any high-quality parts needed from our valued vendors. Next, mechanical technicians begin assembling, while the electrical team commences wiring. Finally, the customized system is run through a demanding testing phase to ensure the highest level of reliability. Support doesn't end after product release. A thorough walkthrough determines if any modifications are needed. Customer insight, flexibility, and collaboration are essential factors to Hine Automation's success. Through performance-driven solutions and reliable, efficient, cutting-edge automation systems and robotic components, our goal is to always exceed customer expectations. Today, with more than 30 years of experience, we are excited about the future of our industry, and we are committed to evolving and moving technology forward. From dream to design, at Hine Automation, we build and automate with precision and passion.